Love is in the air this month with Valentine's Day quickly approaching. We want to show our hearts some love this month, and here are 4 rice bowl recipes to get you started. Rice bowls are a quick and easy option to incorporate healthy foods into your menu, and they are also great for meal prepping. These 4 recipes are packed full of antioxidants and vitamins. One of our favorite quick and easy lunches around here is our chicken cilantro lime rice bowl, so let's get started marinating that chicken. You can marinate this chicken anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight. In a large bowl, place your lime juice, your olive oil, chili powder, cumin, and salt. Be sure to coat both chicken breasts in the marinade. Place in the fridge while you prep the other ingredients. Once we've got the chicken marinating, we'll start the rice. Today we're using an Instapot to cook our golden rice. We absolutely love this variety. Not only does it have fiber and magnesium necessary for maintaining heart health, but it is also a much lighter alternative to brown rice. It cooks faster and has a lighter taste for those who would normally prefer white rice but are looking for the added health benefits. We're going to pop that in the Instant Pot on high pressure for 8 minutes, then let it natural release for 10 minutes once that's done. Next, we will make the dressing. This dressing is so simple, yet it is absolutely delicious. In a food processor, we will mix cream, pickled jalapenos and garlic salt, ranch dip mix, cilantro, sour cream, mayonnaise. Just puree until all of the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Place the dressing in a jar and set it in the fridge until you need it. After the dressing, we're going to make pico de gallo. You could of course use store-bought, but there's just nothing as good as homemade. For the pico, we're going to chop up the tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, and jalapeno. Put all of these in a medium bowl and mix, and add salt to taste. Now we're going to prep the rest of the bowl ingredients. We're going to drain the corn and beans and rinse, slice the jalapenos and avocado, and chop cilantro. Now that the chicken is done marinating, we're going to cook it up. You can cook it any way you like, whether it's on the grill or the stove, but my personal favorite is the air fryer. After your chicken is all cooked, we're going to slice it up, and on a bed of our golden rice, we will put all of these vitamin-packed toppings. Just add however much of each item you prefer. You should have enough of everything for at least 4 servings. Top with dressing when you're ready to eat and enjoy. Next, this colorful recipe is full of antioxidants. It's a quick and simple meal prep that'll have you energized and ready to take on your day. I'm going to start by putting our jasmine rice in our Instant Pot on high pressure for 3 minutes, and we'll let it natural release for 10 minutes. We've chosen jasmine for this recipe because with all of the delicate flavors in this bowl, it's the perfect neutral base. Plus, our jasmine rice is a great source of vitamin B and energy-giving carbohydrates. While that rice is cooking, we're going to make our peanut sauce. To make the peanut sauce in a blender or food processor, combine the peanut butter, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, ground ginger, and garlic powder. We're going to process this until it is very smooth. Now we're going to slice our bell pepper, purple cabbage, radishes, cucumber, avocado, and green onions. And now that our rice is done, we're going to build our bowls. It's really that easy. Just add on however much you want of each vegetable, and there you have it. Top with the dressing when you're ready to eat, and enjoy. This is one of my favorite recipes. I make it all the time. It is our harvest rice bowl with our Nature's Blend. We're going to start off by putting the rice into the Instant Pot and set it on high pressure for 15 minutes and let it naturally release fully. This variety by far is one of our most requested varieties, and it's not hard to see why. Not only does this variety have fiber and magnesium necessary for maintaining heart health, but it is also packed full of antioxidants such as anthocyanin. While the rice is cooking, we're going to prepare the dressing and the toppings. For the dressing, you simply combine the apple cider vinegar, apple juice, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, pepper, and olive oil in a mason jar. Put the lid on and shake it until well combined. You will have to shake it again when you're ready to use. Finally, we're going to prep all the toppings. If you're cooking your own bacon, now is the time to fry it up so that it can cool. Next, we will chop up the apple, pecans, onion, and bacon once it's cooled off. Then you're going to gather up the feta and cranberries. Now assemble your bowls with the desired amount of each topping and add dressing when you're ready to serve. If you're meal prepping this, you might want to dice up the apple right before you serve it so that it does not oxidize. And enjoy! The Mediterranean diet is super popular right now and is especially known for its heart health, so we thought we'd add our contribution, our Greek chicken rice bowl. The first thing we're going to do is start marinating our chicken. For the marinade, mix your lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, salt, pepper, and olive oil, and be sure to coat both chicken breasts in this marinade. Cover and place in the fridge, and you can marinate this chicken anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight. Cover and place in the fridge while you prep the other ingredients. You can let this set anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight. Once we've got the chicken marinating, we're going to start cooking the rice. Today we're using an Instapot to cook our red rice. Not only does this variety have fiber and magnesium necessary for maintaining heart health, but it's also packed full of antioxidants. We're going to put this on high pressure for 18 minutes and let it natural release for 10 minutes. While our rice is cooking, we're going to make our tzatziki sauce. We're going to grate our cucumber and garlic clove onto a cheesecloth. Then we're going to squeeze out all of that excess moisture. In a medium bowl, combine the shredded cucumber and garlic, our yogurt, salt, lemon juice, and dill. Mix it up and put it in the fridge until you're ready for it. Now we're going to prep the toppings. We're going to half those cherry tomatoes, slice some red onion and some olives, chop the cucumbers, and pan-sear the chicken. Finally, we're going to gather up some feta and lemon wedges, dill and parsley, and we are ready to build the bowls. On a bed of red rice, place the desired amount of each topping and a little cup of tzatziki sauce on the side for each bowl. And enjoy! If you enjoyed these recipes today, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more information, check out ralstonfamilyfarms.com.